Hey, ZFM. It is about 3 in the morning, I think. And I was woken up to this rain, this wonderful, wonderful rain. And I just figured, why not come out here and just enjoy the sounds of the rain for a little bit. It was raining a lot harder earlier, but now it seemed to have died down. It sort of comes in waves. So right now I'm putting my hand out there. Yeah, it's coming down pretty decently. Not as hard as it was, but yeah, that's just me enjoying the rain at 3 a.m. Yep. So, until next time, this is Zach, out.